So this is a fermented fruit. It's not a kombucha, guys. Kombucha's made out of tea. And it's very good for your microbiome. Your body really likes fermented stuff. It's also super tasty. In order for this to be authentic, you would need piloncillo. Piloncillo are cone-shaped, solid brown items that you find in Latin American stores and of course in Mexico. They are made out of raw cane sugar. Because I don't have that, I'm gonna use brown sugar, which is perfectly fine. I have 4.5 cups of water in here and half a cup of brown sugar. And we're going to just dissolve that sugar in there. So I'm gonna stir until everything's dissolved. Piloncillo will take longer. Just be patient and dissolve it, okay? That's it. Turn off the heat. We're done. So in this jar, I have the peels and cores of a pineapple. Guys, make sure, if you can, to use an organic pineapple and wash it well before you cut it, okay? Because otherwise you're gonna have all those fertilizers and that's not good. I'm gonna add a cinnamon stick and 2 cloves. This is optional, by the way. And we're going to pour our liquid on top. This is a 2-quart jar. You can just do it straight into the pot if you want. If you're doing this straight in the pot, go ahead and cover it with a dish towel to keep dust and insects and stuff out of it, okay? I'm gonna cover this with a coffee filter and I'm gonna secure it with a rubber band. I'm gonna put this on my counter in a darkish place and let it ferment. We're going to check this in 24 hours. It should be ready within 36. We need to have little bubbles and fizzies and it should be ready. We'll see. All right, guys, let's check this out. It's been fermenting for about 27 hours. Ooh, that is beautiful. See all the foam there? And there's a lot of little bubbles here. So I'm gonna remove this. If you open yours and there's no foam like this, then it means you gotta ferment it for a little longer, you know? Might take 36 hours. I wouldn't go past that too much longer though. Okay. Now, we are going to just strain this out into a pitcher. We're going to discard the solids in there. You can enjoy this as is. It is a little tart and very refreshing with some ice. If you taste it and you want it sweeter, you can add some more sugar. Or you can dilute it with some water, which is what I like to do. This is incredibly refreshing. So I like to add a little bit of carbonated water into mine. To each his own. Yummy. Oh, that is delicious. You can also squeeze some lime in here if you'd like. Thanks for watching the video. I'm gonna see you soon.